Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Kia Sorento. Stock number is 18C652B. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end, and we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Kia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.